What to eat on keto for beginners. This video is for you, those who are just starting to lose weight. Congratulations on meeting again. Maybe you don't know, but I am one of the leading experts in the US on keto and healthy weight loss by intermittent fasting scientifically. After my tutorial videos on the channel, I have received a lot of positive feedback. That is, many people have successfully lost weight by applying my keto diet. They shared that they no longer have to struggle or suffer like before, thanks to applying keto in their lives. And to be more specific in this video, then, hello Health Facts family, let's start with lesson number 2, what to eat on keto for beginners. You will not need to take toxic diet pills or cosmetic interventions to have a beautiful body. No, you don't have to, because I'm here to help you make losing weight simpler and easier than ever. Are you ready to explore what to eat on keto for beginners? Let's dive in. 1. Morning eating habits on a keto diet. The first key to succeeding with a keto diet is to delay eating in the morning for as long as possible. Only eat when genuine hunger strikes. Many individuals fall into the habit of eating out of routine rather than need, which disrupts fat-burning processes. When you eat unnecessarily, insulin levels spike, causing blood sugar to drop shortly after. This leads to hunger just an hour or two later, derailing your progress. What you consume the night before significantly impacts your morning appetite. If your previous meal is aligned with keto principles, you'll likely wake up without hunger. By adhering to a 2-meal-a-day structure, you can extend your fasting period and train your body to become an efficient fat burner. The ultimate goal is to lengthen this fasting window gradually. Initially, you may find it challenging to wait until lunchtime to eat. If necessary, start with a late morning meal, such as 11 a.m., but aim to push this later as your body adapts. Transitioning fully from burning sugar to burning fat may take 3 to 5 days, or even longer for some. During this time, patience is key. Once your body adjusts, it will rely primarily on stored fat for energy, reducing hunger and promoting ketosis. This approach not only supports weight loss, but also enhances energy stability throughout the day. By mastering this foundational habit, you set the stage for long-term success with the keto lifestyle. Number 2, 2 meals a day for keto success. A key principle for success on the keto diet is to adopt a 2-meal-a-day approach, ideally within a 4-hour window. This strategy allows for a 20-hour fasting period, providing significant benefits, including enhanced fat burning and weight loss. However, this method may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals undergoing menopause, dealing with hypothyroidism, or recovering from a history of extreme dieting might find their metabolism too sluggish to achieve optimal results with this plan. For these individuals, combining the 2 meals into a single meal daily might be necessary to stimulate weight loss. Some people, particularly those with severely slowed metabolisms, may even require extended fasting intervals, such as eating only every other day, to restore metabolic health. While these adaptations may seem challenging, they are essential for those needing to heal and rejuvenate their systems. For most others, this 2-meal framework works effectively. The first and second meals should include nutrient-dense, keto-friendly foods that sustain energy and help the body transition fully into fat-burning mode. Careful planning and gradual adjustment ensure that this approach can be tailored to meet individual needs, paving the way for long-term success on the ketogenic journey. 3. Meal options for beginners on keto. Based on extensive observations, here are some excellent meal suggestions for those starting keto. Eggs are a staple, with 2 to 4 eggs daily being ideal. Opt for organic or pasture-raised varieties, as these offer superior quality compared to factory-farmed options. Avocados are another powerhouse, packed with healthy fats and potassium, making them a perfect choice. For cheese lovers, high-quality grass-fed organic cheese is recommended unless you have specific health concerns, like prostate issues, in which case it's best to avoid it. Goat cheese is a fantastic alternative. Bacon, particularly nitrate-free organic bacon, is an optional but tasty addition. Nut butters such as almond or peanut butter are excellent for boosting fat intake, provided they contain no added sugar. When it comes to protein, options like hamburger, lamb, or fish are ideal, with portion sizes tailored to your metabolism and activity levels. Lastly, vegetables are essential for a balanced keto diet. Include them generously, either raw or steamed, as part of your meals. Salads are a versatile way to add volume and nutrients to your diet. This well-rounded approach ensures you receive the nutrients needed while adhering to keto principles, promoting sustainable and satisfying meals. 4. Tailoring your keto diet for optimal health. If consuming vegetables leaves you feeling bloated or uncomfortable, it could be related to a condition such as SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. To address this, consider reducing your vegetable portions initially, then gradually increasing them as your body adjusts. Incorporating olive oil or balsamic vinaigrette as salad dressings can enhance flavor while adding healthy fats. Including a small handful of nuts or seeds is another excellent way to boost your fat intake. For those new to the keto lifestyle, fat bombs, small, nutrient-dense snacks made with healthy fats, can help bridge the gap between meals and support your transition into fat-burning mode. When planning dinner, focus on high-quality proteins such as salmon or sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and iodine. Alternatively, chicken with crispy skin or wings can pair well with nutrient-rich vegetables like asparagus. Adding fats such as olives completes the meal. Avoid snacking wherever possible, but if nighttime hunger strikes, adjusting your meals to include more healthy fats and fiber-rich greens can keep you satisfied and on track with your keto goals. 5. Additional tips and final thoughts. Hydration is essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with lemon for added benefits. Start your mornings with coffee or tea and enhance them with MCT oil or coconut oil to boost your fat intake. If hunger strikes between meals, reassess your diet by increasing healthy fats and low-carb vegetables. To combat cravings, try B vitamins or nutritional yeast, both excellent for supporting your transition to ketosis. Remember to use sea salt to replenish electrolytes lost during this process. Morning fasting is the optimal time for exercise as it maximizes fat-burning benefits. Be patient. Adapting to ketosis may take a few days to weeks. A key indicator of success is the absence of hunger. This shows your body is fully burning fat for fuel. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate your keto journey effectively. Embarking on a keto diet may seem challenging at first, but with determination and the right guidance, you are fully capable of achieving your health and weight loss goals. Remember, progress takes time, and every step you take toward a healthier lifestyle is a victory. By focusing on foundational habits like intermittent fasting, choosing nutrient-dense meals, and staying consistent, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. At Health Facts, we're here to support you every step of the way. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your approach, videos like What to Eat on Keto for Beginners provide the insights you need to build confidence in your journey. Keep pushing forward and don't be discouraged by setbacks. They're just part of the process. You've got this. Every meal, every choice, and every effort matters. If you found value in this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Facts. Together, we can build a community that inspires and motivates each other to thrive. Your journey starts now. Let's make it a success.